poquillo así, ¿no?
Es que esta brocha no sirve para cortar, son brochas pequeñas.
Bueno, amigo, close la puerta. Hey, Mrs. Susan, how are you? All right. Say what you think about the company, about me, about everybody.
Okay, my name is Suzanne Bushnell, and I live at 6212 Amigo Avenue. And Shalol and his men have been here working for almost 2 weeks. And they have been very efficient and very kind and very nice people. And they've worked very hard. And the house, we're almost in the final stages. It looks absolutely wonderful. And they're very good about cleaning up and doing everything. And my cat and I were having a lot of problems with coughing and sneezing and him throwing up and coughing, and now we're both getting better now that the mold is gone, and as we get rid of the dust and so forth, I'm sure we'll even be a lot better in the next few days. So I'm very happy with the work. They did a really good job. They're very, very good at what they do. And I know because I grew up with a father who was an interior designer and decorator, so I know when I see good work and when I don't. So they're really excellent workers and very good at painting, by the way. They're doing a very, very fine job in the
And also we
office.
found the leak on the time.
And we found the leak in the attic just in the nick of time. I think somebody upstairs likes me because I said somebody made me make the call, and we caught it before. The damage could have been a lot worse if we hadn't caught it when we did. So everything is sort of coming along now. And I think if you need work done, I would definitely recommend Trust Restoration and Shalal and his
Shlomo.
Shlomo and
Yes.
his crew. So I'm signing off.
Thank you.